Welcome to this video where we will be discussing how to make passive income with just one video on YouTube. Many people dream of making money online, and creating a successful YouTube channel is one way to achieve that dream. But creating content and making money on YouTube can be a challenging task, especially when you are just starting. However, with the right strategy and execution, you can create a single video that generates passive income for years to come. In this video, we will be sharing some tips and tricks on how to make passive income with just one video on YouTube. We will cover everything from picking a profitable niche, creating quality content, optimizing your video for search, and monetizing your content effectively. So let's get started. Part 1. Picking a profitable niche. The first step to making passive income with one video on YouTube is to choose a profitable niche. A niche is a specific topic or theme that your channel revolves around. To pick a profitable niche, you need to consider what topics are popular on YouTube and what people are searching for. Research is critical when it comes to selecting a profitable niche. You need to analyze what keywords people are searching for in your target niche and what kind of content is already available on YouTube. This will help you create content that is both unique and valuable to your audience. One of the most profitable niches on YouTube is the how-to niche. People are always looking for tutorials and instructional videos to help them solve a problem or learn a new skill. If you can create high-quality how-to videos that provide value to your viewers, you are well on your way to creating a successful YouTube channel. Part 2. Creating quality content. Once you have chosen a profitable niche, the next step is to create quality content. Quality content is essential if you want to attract and retain viewers on YouTube. You need to create videos that are both informative and engaging, like this one. To create quality content, you need to start by searching your topic thoroughly. Look for credible sources and gather as much information as you can. Use this information to create a script for your video that is both informative and easy to follow. Next, you need to focus on the visual aspect of your video. YouTube is a visual platform, and the quality of your video can make or break your success. If you have capital, then invest in a good camera and lighting equipment to ensure that your video look professional. Finally, you need to focus on your delivery. Practice speaking clearly and confidentially, and use body language to engage your viewers. The more engaging and entertaining your video is, the more likely people will watch it. The more passive income you can generate. Part 3. Optimizing your video for search. The third step to making passive income with one video on YouTube is to optimize your video for search. YouTube is a search engine, and optimizing your video for search can help your content get discovered by more people. The first step to optimizing your video for search is to conduct keyword research. Identify the keywords that people are searching for in your niche and use them in your video title, description, and tags. Next, you need to focus on thumbnail of your video. A thumbnail is the image that people see when they are browsing on YouTube. Create a thumbnail that is eye-catching and gives viewers an idea of what your video is about. Finally, you need to promote your video on social media and other platforms. The more exposure your video gets, the more likely it is to get views, and the more passive income you can generate. Part 4. Monetizing your content effectively. The final step to making passive income with one video on YouTube is to monetize your content effectively. In conclusion, there are several ways to monetize your content on YouTube. Ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, merchandising, and channel membership are just some of the ways you can generate passive income with your content. To succeed with monetization, it's essential to create quality content, optimize your video for search, and promote your content on social media and other platforms. By following these steps and utilizing the different monetization options available, you can create a successful YouTube channel and make passive income with just one video. I hope you all like my video. If you find my video informative, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.